Hey guys, MD95TSI here. Look what we have here. Package day. So, let's start into this one because I think I know what this one is. This one's going to be, I do believe I know what this is, but let's get into it. AK knife, as always. Quick little dash. That's all it should take. Oh, she did not cut that time. I'm going to try to cut into it just to make sure. Okay, it's nothing there. Okay. Yepers, like I told you, I know what this is. Guys, if you don't know, Skipper Drones. He bought me some PLA last week, man, and bought me a kit to clean out my nozzles. He understands what it's like to have a 0.4 millimeter tiny little hole that you have to clean. Skipper, I really appreciate these, man. You had made my life so much easier, I'm telling you. And it's cool that this come in because let's get into the other package. Alright, let's go in this. She ripped right through that. Make no mistakes. The bag inside of a bag. See if I know what's in them, I can rip through them. This, guys, is going to be my fan for my Anit A8 printer. I had some fans go down on me and I had to buy some, so went ahead and purchased these, and it was two of them. It looks like it says there actually says the Anit, but I don't think they're ball bearings, so that's why it comes with two of them. But that's no problem. Two of them for $6. You can't beat that. So when I do that, Skipper, when I install the new fan, I'll clean the nozzle. So thank you so much, Skipper Drones, man. Like I said, Skipper just knows, you know, smart fella. He understands that, you know, what works must break. What breaks must be fixed. So, I got it. Man, you're awesome, dude. You're so awesome. Taking your hard-earned money, because I know this man works his behind off and spending on me. I really appreciate that, brother. And then this, guys, whoa, like a razor. I know you might not have saw that, but you heard it, because I think my camera's on narrow. This, guys, I purchased because of my eyeballs. So this is a MagnaPros interchangeable eyeglasses / headband magnifier with 2 LED lights. This thing works well. Trust me, they give you a little thank you card in there and all that. Check that out. That's really cool. Really, really nice of them to do that. But guys, here is the what happens here is, and they are tiny, man. They're just tiny. Hope they work for what I need them for. So these go like in my screen and kind of like magnifies everything for me. I thought they were kind of wider, but they look to be like they might work. So we don't know until you try them, I guess. But they're supposed to go right into the I'll cut my goggles and stick them right in there, and they'll go kind of in and magnify everything. But it goes from like 1 to like 5 magnification. And looks like it's got a nice head strap in here. Check these out. These things are cool. So they're like glasses, and then you have the piece here that screws on, or I guess you put some batteries in there or whatnot. It's going to go in here. Yes, looks like it's going to take like 4 AA batteries or AAAs. And you just go on like that, and then you just clip in your magnifying glass here. And it just hangs down, but that's not the point I'm using these for. It's good to have them just in case I need that. It comes with a cloth and everything, so really nice. Hopefully, guys, this is what it's going to take for me to get the Eachines back on my face. I'm hoping for this one. I'm hoping it really works, because it's been a pain in the noggin to not be able to see out of them goggles after spending $100 on them. But we'll get it right. If not, there's other stuff out there, because this still works, because this isn't a waste of money for one reason on what it does. It's a magnifying glass that you put on your face with the light and it goes from 1 to 5 magnification. So it's not a waste of money if it doesn't work in my goggles. The only thing I think it might not work in the goggles is because of the lens. I thought the lens were bigger like a glass, but they're small. But other than that, they'll work fine, I do believe. So there you go, guys. Got a magnification glass headset thing, 2 fans for my Anet A8 printer, and Skipper Drones is so awesome. He ordered me a nozzle cleaning kit. And it looks like it has every one of them in there for doing the different ones and different things for the printer. So thank you guys. That's MD95TSI's mail call. Thank you for watching. And I thought this said Miss Crystal Justice. I did not look at this. This was sent to me by, I do believe, who I know it is. So let's get into it and let's see what we have. He doesn't want a shout out, but he knows who he is. That's all that matters. I don't know why he will not want me to shout him out. I know it's not about that. Let me I'm just gonna turn the camera off, guys, and look at let me just do like this and let me look at it first. Yeah, see, it's a good thing I did that. Because I do not want you to see who this is from. I don't want you to see his real name, in other words. There's going to be a letter in there, so I'm not going to read that out loud. But I will show you guys what they are. They are a set of sorry I'm doing it this way, guys, but he asked me not to shout him out, so I'm just trying to respect his wishes. A pair of and the Allen wrenches in there with the little tabs and everything. Breeze propellers. That's what these are for. These are for the unique Breeze. As Kim Head would say, Yankee. But anyway, these come from a friend of mine. He hit me up on email and asked me would I be able to use them. Well, he knew I would use them. He bought them for a project for himself, and if you see it right there, it's, you know, 8 pieces, foldable props, quadcopter selfie drone, new. He thought they would fit something that he was doing, but they don't. So he knew I had the Breeze, and he said, hey, Chris could use these. So he went ahead and shot me an email and sent them out to me. You guys know this guy. He's in our lobby, but thank you, brother. You know who you are. I really appreciate it. I'm respecting your wishes, and I'm not going to say your name. It sucks to me to do that, but I totally understand. Nothing, no disrespect at all to you. I totally respect your wishes, and I knew your name was not to be shown because you told me that from the very beginning when I sent you that print. Please never show my name. So I'll make sure that that's, you know, never shown or whatnot. So, all right. Thank you. Like I said, mystery guy. But I knew who you are. So thank you. Blah, blah, blah. And that's the mail call. So that's everything I got today. Miss Crystal had got some packages. She'll get into those. But that's all for her channel, not for me. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. And thank everyone. Skipper Drones, Crystal, because that's who bought me these. Whoever we bought this from eBay. Yeah, you see right here on the front it says 1 to 3.5. That's what it was. Okay. Magnification. So, yeah, there's the mail call. Thank you, guys. And to you guys, mystery guy. But I know who he is. Thank you, guys. Love you. Thank you so much for watching.